Celebrities who keep farm animals. There's a really good chance these stars know more about chicken coops than you do. Carrie Underwood. Superstar singer Carrie Underwood enjoys all her Nashville farm has to offer, including the ability to grow her own produce and to welcome livestock, as pets, to her home. Meet the newest members of the EHOK farm fam. Underwood recently wrote on Instagram about a trio of donkeys, pictured with sons Jacob and Isaiah. "We've got a pregnant mama, a daddy and a little dude. In a little bit, 2 of them will go live with some friends down the road, but we promise to have lots of family reunions." Underwood previously told ET Canada she was obsessed with her unique 2020 Christmas gift from husband Mike Fisher, 2 cows. "They're my favorite animal. I love them, they make me so happy," she said at the time, adding, "I don't want them for any purpose, just to love them." Kevin Bacon and Kira Sedgwick. The Footloose star isn't kidding around when it comes to farm life. Bacon often shares clips of him serenading his pet goats on the farm he shares with wife Kira Sedgwick in Connecticut. In a series on social media he's matter-of-factly dubbed #GoatSongs. In a clip recently posted to Instagram, the actor treats his goats, as well as an alpaca and a miniature horse, to a rendition of Peter Frampton's "Baby, I Love Your Way." Bacon also shared the eclectic names of his various animals in the caption, writing that the song was for Macon, Louie, Hocus, Little Man, Electra, Dazzle, Lucy, Daisy Jr. and Little Ricky aka the Nipper, aka the Terror of Tiny Town. Nikki Reed and Ian Somerhalder. The Twilight alumna and husband Ian Somerhalder recently adopted 2 baby cows after a trip to a local farm where their daughter Bodhi, 3.5, bonded with the animals. "They're super sweet and so silly. There's something so special about baby cows. They're goofy," Reed said in a video interview for People's Beautiful issue. "They're both calves. Lily is the girl and Musso is the boy." She added, "I love supporting local farms. I brought my daughter out to the farm. I just wanted her to go out there and be in nature. Soon, she was smitten with the cows. My daughter was so attached to Lily, and I wasn't expecting to walk away with cows at all," laughed Reed. So that was the start of the journey. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry. In their March 2021 interview with Oprah Winfrey, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex gave fans a quick glimpse of Archie's Chick-In, their chicken coop that houses hens rescued from a factory farm. The co-op is named for the couple's son Archie, 2 in May. "Hi, girls," Meghan said during the interview as she opened the door to the co-op. "I just love rescuing," Meghan told the TV host. Serena Williams and Alexis Ohanian. The tennis superstar and her Reddit co-founder husband are the proud parents to daughter Olympia, and to 4 hens. Dad Alexis shared that their daughter named the quartet Bum Bum, not pictured, Chicaletta, Minnie, and Daisy. Marcus Mumford and Carey Mulligan. In a chat on Live with Kelly and Ryan, Mulligan confirmed the family has a working farm outside of London, complete with cows, sheep and chickens. When asked if she milks the cows, Mulligan clarified it's not a dairy farm, though added she did learn to milk cows for her role in 2015's Far From the Madding Crowd. Brian Austin Green. I built a chicken coop over the summer, and now I'm currently building a vegetable garden, Green told ET in December 2020. I thought, we're forced to eat at home more, so let me figure out a way of making that a cooler experience for the kids. Quote. Tiffany Thiessen. The former Saved by the Bell star keeps chickens, making for some farm fresh eggs at her LA home. She even has enough to spare. Thiessen dropped off fresh eggs to her former Saved by the Bell co-star, Mark-Paul Gosselaar, when he ran out amid the coronavirus pandemic. The actress set up a blue carton of eggs on her front steps next to a note that read, "Fresh butt nuggets for the Gosselaar family, love the Smiths." Chip and Joanna Gaines. The Fixer-Upper family have a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Sorry, we had to, and on that farm they have a whole lot of piglets. Crew has become one with the litter, Chip wrote on Twitter of his youngest son getting down and dirty with the baby pigs. #farmlife, he added. Chip and Joanna Gaines, again. The HGTV stars live on 40 acres of land outside Waco, Texas, where they raise a variety of animals in addition to their 5 kids. Here at the farm everyone is friends, Joanna captioned a photo on Instagram of her goats mingling with a turkey and some hens. Hillary Burton and Jeffrey Dean Morgan. The couple, who has been together for over a decade and married in October 2019, own a farm together. They have a real farm that includes a viral and dynamic duo, a donkey and emu named Jack and Diane. Her One Tree Hill and Christmas Wish co-star Tyler Hilton told People Now, "It's a real farm. It's not like a Hollywood farm either, wherein actors like, 'Oh, I'm gonna have a farm,' and they get an acre and a pig. This is a farm." Elizabeth Hurley. In an October 2019 chat with People Now, the British beauty revealed she used to have a small organic farm we ran ourselves, but has since scaled back to plant life plus domestic pets, and alpacas. 3 of them are friendly, she joked about being able to feed them by hand. There's a 6-month-old baby, too. She's skittish but cute, Hurley added. The Royals actress formerly owned a 400-acre organic farm in Gloucestershire that housed chickens, sheep and other animals. "People always imagine me with perfect hair. But that's not who I am," Hurley once said. "The first time he saw me in the country, my husband found me in wellies, covered in mud." Amanda Seyfried. During a 2019 visit to The Late Show with Stephen Colbert, Seyfried revealed she lives on a farm and has a donkey, chickens and goats, in addition to crops, like cucumbers and peppers. "It was my dream," she said. "I love animals and I love to be surrounded by them. And I wanted space. I love the countryside and the forest. I grew up in suburbia. I always wanted to ride horses and we didn't have the funds to do that. I do ride horses now." Kristen Cavallari and Jay Cutler. In a sneak peek at the 2nd season of Very Cavallari, Kristen surprised her, now ex-husband Jay with a llama. While together in Nashville, the two were also pet parents to goats, chickens and dogs, plus their 3 young children. Over the summer of 2020, ahead of the couple's split, Cutler chronicled the mysterious deaths of his chickens, ultimately finding a raccoon responsible. Jennifer Garner. The actress is a self-proclaimed chicken lady, and she's proud of her new title. So much so she decided to post about one of our ladies, Regina George, on Instagram. Regina loves long walks, dehydrated bugs, and kale. She wrote alongside a pic of herself walking an adorable chicken, whose name is inspired by the Mean Girls character. As for her dislikes, Regina hates carbs. In May 2018, she introduced Insta followers to another little chick, this one named Hennifer. Chris Pratt. After staying silent on Instagram for more than a month, the Jurassic World actor returned in January 2018 with his mini food series, What's My Snack? On the menu, meat, and lots of it. Since I've been farming lamb for the past 6 months and fishing, I'm eating lamb, he said in the video. And it looks like his son, Jack, is all about the actor's newfound passion. At the end of the caption accompanying the clip, Pratt wrote, "I have found a new passion to add to my many others. Hashtag farm life and Jack loves it." Khalees. After listing her $1.9 million LA home, the singer told Architectural Digest the reason behind her decision. "We're buying a farm, so that's why we're moving," she told architecturaldigest.com. "Now that I've got these two boys, young sons Knight and Shepherd, I want to control a little bit more how we eat." Yolanda Hadid. Considering the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills alumna has long been on a health kick, it's no surprise the former model is a proud owner of chickens. "Happy chicks," she wrote on Instagram, adding the hashtag farm life. When Dua Lipa was dating Anwar Hadid, the two spent their coronavirus quarantine at Hadid's Pennsylvania farm. Chatting about their daily routines, she added that she'd gifted the model two pygmy goats named Funky and Bam Bam, which love a cuddle. Lisa Bonet. Days after news of her surprise wedding to Jason Momoa hit in November 2017, Bonet was spotted walking near the couple's Topanga, California, home, with a donkey on a leash. Bonet and Momoa have since split. Kelly Clarkson. Nothing gets Clarkson more excited than caring for her chickens at home. "Our chickens are the sweetest and are about to start laying eggs," she shared with fans on Instagram. "So excited." Nicole Richie. Richie may be a sartorial superstar on the red carpet, but the designer has another passion, serving as mom to 8 chickens named Tallulah, Philomena, Mama Cass, Sunny, Daisy, Ivy, Sibby and Dixie Chick. "I raised them inside my house for about 6 weeks, and then it was time for them to have a co-op," she told Architectural Digest, adding that her chicken's home is a replica of her own. Martha Stewart said it best, "Chickens just give, and there's nothing bad about them," Richie gushed. "They are the easiest animals to take care of, they are so much fun for kids, and they just give me beautiful colored eggs every day." Kylie Jenner. The lip kit creator added a furry friend to her brood, a puffy, white chicken known as a silky bantam, whom she named Eddie. "I love you, Eddie," you can hear Jenner coo off camera in one of her Snapchat clips, which features the bird pecking food out of a set of manicured hands. Jenner has previously spoken about swapping her glam lifestyle for a much more rural life in the not-so-distant future, telling interview, "When I'm, 30, I want to go off the map, have a family, and live in Malibu with a farm, and just raise my own chickens." Julia Roberts. Roberts knows the importance of knowing where her food comes from, which became the reason behind her family's decision to raise chickens. "My husband is a very healthy and environmentally minded person, so we grow food at our house," Roberts said. "We raise chickens for eggs. We live in a world where really fresh produce and organic food are a financial luxury. So if we have that luxury, I'm going to take advantage of it for my family." Tori Spelling. While Spelling has opened up about her family's chicken coop, and has taken her chickens to award shows, the actress most recently shared with fans that there's a new cuddle buddy in the Spelling-McDermott household, a pig named Nutmeg. Jennifer Aniston and Justin Theroux. Back in 2015, Aniston told people she and then-husband Justin Theroux were the proud parents of 17 adorable chickens. "We use the eggs every day," she said. "We make frittatas, carbonara, Justin makes great pasta. I use the eggs in my salad or for snacks. They taste delicious. The stars even gifted the farm fresh eggs to their friends, Thoreau revealed in an interview with Chelsea Handler. Each of them lays a couple of eggs a day, so we have too many of them, the Leftovers actor said of the unique present idea. Zach Galifianakis. The Hangover star gave viewers an inside look at his 60-acre North Carolina farm, Farmageddon, which houses horses, honeybees, and soon, goats. Gisele Bündchen. Leave it to the healthy living supermodel to get super candid about her role as chicken mom. I have a beautiful garden in LA where I raise chickens, she told Food and Wine. We have very little waste because the chickens eat all of the vegetable scraps, and anything they won't eat, I put in my compost pile with the chicken poo. Oprah Winfrey. The media mogul owns a chicken coop at her Hawaiian vacation home, and proudly showed off her chickens' hard work on Twitter. Look what I just gathered. Chickens are workin', she tweeted back in 2012, captioning a pic of herself holding a basket of fresh eggs. Reese Witherspoon. The Oscar winner keeps chickens at her Ojai, California ranch, along with 20 hens, a rooster, 2 donkeys, a horse and more. Oh, I want someone to build me a good chicken coop. Like a man who can just get down there and build it, Witherspoon told people of her Christmas wish back in 2008. Martha Stewart. I began raising chickens after visiting a commercial egg-laying plant and being rather horrified by the cruel, inhumane conditions of the facility, the lifestyle guru wrote in her blog, detailing the reasons behind creating a chicken coop at her home.